Hi guys, my name is Fred Gillen and I'd like to welcome you to another one of our self-help tutorials. This particular video is all about building money-making websites. The crucial thing about this particular video is that we're going to do it with no budget. That means you don't have to spend a cent. So how do you think we might be able to do that? Well, there are a couple of things you need to do to make money on a website. The first thing you need to have is a way of people to getting to your website. So you need a domain name or a URL to allow people to find your site. You need a product to sell, and you also need some way of accessing the money. So you need some form of payment gateway. So let's have a look at the options available on the internet right now that won't cost you a cent to implement. So the first thing we need to do is have a look at some of the options available. What I was saying before is what we need is you need a domain name or a presence on the internet where you can actually point people to a unique location so they can find your offerings. You need somewhere to host a website. So you need a server out in the big wild internet world that's going to be able to offer your particular products and services 24/7. And you need an attractive website. What I mean by an attractive website, we've covered this earlier in some of the other videos, but what I'm talking about here is a website that will attract business. I'm not talking about a website that looks great, although your website should look great, but really what I'm talking about here is a website that will attract business because of the offer that you have available on the website or the information. And your sales may well be a byproduct, and that's what we're going to actually talk about later on in this video. You need a way to make money, so there has to be some formal offer on the website or a way for people to pay you, or it might be an affiliate program, it could be AdWords, it could be something else, but we'll talk about that shortly and give you a big insight into how you can actually achieve that. And last but not least, you need a way of actually receiving those payments. The easiest way at the moment to probably achieve that goal is to set up a PayPal account, and we will be covering that in another video. But let's get on to the next stage. So what are we talking about when we say about a domain name? To get a domain name at no cost, the only real way of doing it is to actually go to a free hosting site that will actually produce it. Or what we're going to do in this exercise is we're going to give you a unique URL similar to a domain name by tagging it on to a blog site. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to look at blogger.com as the entry into that, and we need to pick a word that's going to actually encourage people to visit your blog site. The word can be anything. It could be, best home tips, all you need to know about. Just try and think of something that's going to entice people to come to your site. You need to find a niche, and we're going to cover that in the next video about finding a niche. One of the easiest ways of finding a niche is to actually use Google Trends and see what people are looking for. Check out our Google Trends video and you'll get full instructions on how to actually isolate your niche. The site that we're going to use to promote your product is blogger.com. That's a free account. You just need to establish your free account on blogger.com, decide on a name for your blog site, and then the next stage is that we actually promote it. So you need to create your own blog based on your niche and give it the name, niche, whatever name you've decided on, full stop, blogspot.com, and that will then allow people to get to you. You can promote that on the internet by way of articles, using Twitter, using Facebook, and we actually cover that again in another one of our videos on attracting customers to your website. So check out our other videos and we'll follow through with this one. To monetize your site, we're actually, in this example, we're going to use AdWords. AdWords will actually allow you to place ads on your blog, and every time somebody clicks on one of the ads, you get paid. It may be 2 or 3 cents, but in some cases it could be $3 or $4. So over time, that will actually develop into something that may well give you enough funds to pay for further ads that will then escalate your next website into a proper money making exercise. You now have an income generating website, and you did it with absolutely no cash down. To check out how to actually create your blog site, we have a video that covers that, and it's video number 6. If you want to go to access that video, just purely go to fredgillen.com and you'll find our tutorial button there that will take you to our list of currently available videos. We're adding to the video list every day, and we hope that you do enjoy what we deliver. My name is Fred Gillen, and this is the Nitty Gritty Business.